All right, just relax, breathe in, breathe out, just a little push, and oh, perfect.
Did you know there are actually 5 grades of mobilization? A manipulation is grade 5, and that's where you hear that pop. But that pop doesn't actually mean that the spine was realigned. It's actually the exact opposite. Just like if we were popping our knuckles, we take that joint to end range and then we give a high velocity thrust. And that releases nitrogen from the joint capsule, which can decrease pressure. But if you're nervous about manipulation, this is a key indicator that you should not be manipulated. Your chiropractor should ask if you feel comfortable with being manipulated and should explore the other grades of manipulation prior to moving towards a grade 5. Save this post if you learned something new and tag a friend who also needs this info.